Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Cutlass Runner, an epic fish needed to complete the Pirate Cove index. In the latest update, there's a forgotten skill quest, and to unlock it, you need to complete the full Pirate Cove index. And one of the required fish is the Cutlass Runner, and this fish is an epic level fish like this. So make sure you use mid to high tire rod and bait. Like for example, at minimum, I recommend using something like hazmat rod or better. And then this fish has looks like this. It has a blue color with the eyes ornament like this, like the pirate character. And then for an easier spot, you can try fishing in this pond right here like this. And I personally caught my Cutlass Runner in this location, so it's a good place to start. And after that, just keep fishing, be patient, and you should get it. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the Cutlass Runner to complete your Pirate Cove index. Just good luck and happy fishing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.